Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing well. Students, today we will study some of the data transmission modes with respect to the direction of communication, in which we will see the three modes of communication we use normally, that is simplex, half duplex and full duplex communication. So the term transmission mode defines the direction of data flow between two linked devices. The manner or way in which data is transmitted from one place to another is called data transmission mode. There are three ways for transmitting data from one location to another: simplex mode, half duplex mode and full duplex mode. So in the upcoming slides we will study these three modes of transmission one by one, and we will see the difference between them. First of all, simplex transmission mode. In simplex transmission, data flows only in one direction from the sending device to the receiving device. Like here you can see in this image, it shows the communication between the keyboard and CPU or the system unit, and mouse and the system unit. So this is always a one-way communication, because that is only the input device, that is keyboard and mouse, which can communicate with the system unit or with the microprocessor. So that is only one-way traffic and one-way communication, and it is called, such type of communication is called simplex transmission mode, or we can call it simplex mode of communication. Simplex transmission is used only when the sending device does not require a response from the receiving device. Just like here, the mouse and the keyboard, they doesn't require any kind of response from the CPU. It's a unidirectional communication. It means that in this mode, communication is unidirectional. Examples of simplex communication modes are radio and television transmissions. So here in this image you can see the radio transmission, in which we are just having to receive the channels or the whatever the transmission is that we receive through our radio or to our through our television set. So that is also a type of simplex mode of transmission, where one side acts like a receiver and the other one only acts like a sender. So such type of communication is called simplex or unidirectional communication. Second, we have the half duplex transmission mode. In half duplex transmission, data can flow in both directions from the sending device to the receiving device and back, but only in one direction at a time. So here communication is possible from both sides, but at a time only one side is capable of communicating or sending the data or information to the other side, and the other side is capable of only receiving at a single time instant. So it means that the communication is possible in both directions, but not simultaneously. At a time only in one direction the communication will take place. In this mode, data is sent and receiving alternatively. The example of half duplex transmission is walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie is a type of communication system in which follows the half duplex transmission mode. Means that walkie-talkie is capable of sending or receiving data. Both functions can be performed, but at a time it can perform only a single function, whether it receives the data at any time instant, or at the other time instant it can just send the data or information to the other place or to the other device, and the other device will also perform a single function at any time instant, that is receiving or sending. The figure shows half duplex transmission It's a walkie-talkie communication system. Here you can see the direction of signal transmitted at time 1, and the other line shows the direction of signal transmitted at time 2, because both devices cannot perform the same function, or both the functions of sending and receiving at a single time. So that is actually a problem or drawback with the half duplex transmission system. Full duplex transmission mode, the advanced communication system. In full duplex transmission, data can flow in both directions at the same time. It is the fastest transmission mode of communication. A regular telephone line supports full duplex transmission so that both parties can talk at the same time. So such type of communication systems, or in such type of transmission mode, both the ends, that is the sending and receiving end, both can perform both type of functions at the same time, that is sending and receiving, or they can communicate simultaneously with each other. They don't have to wait for the other party to finish their transmission, or to finish their sending of data, and then they will send their own response. They can talk to each other simultaneously. And most of the advanced systems, they are based on the full duplex transmission mode, like mobile phone communication, telephone communication, internet communication. Here in this image we can see that both directions at the same time while using the internet connection. Internet or video conferencing, voice call, all of such type of communications, they support, or they are based on the full duplex transmission mode. Now here there is a comparison chart between these three modes of transmission. In simplex we can see the communication is unidirectional. Half duplex, the communication is bidirectional, but one at a time, only in one direction at a time. In full duplex, the communication is bidirectional all the time, that is simultaneous communication. Then second point, in simplex mode, a device can only send data but cannot receive it, or it can only receive data but cannot send it. As compared to simplex, in half duplex mode, both the devices can send and receive the data, but one at a time. And in full duplex, both the devices can send and receive the data simultaneously, means at the same time. Simplex, the lowest performance among the modes. Half duplex, the performance is better than simplex but less than full duplex. And full duplex, the highest performance among the modes. Examples are radio, keyboard and monitor. These are the examples of simplex mode of transmission. In half duplex, walkie-talkies are examples of half duplex mode of transmission. And full duplex, that is telephone and mobile networks, they are based on the full duplex transmission mode, or they follow the full duplex transmission mode. Students, so these were the three modes of transmission which are used for communication. So if you have any question, you can ask me those questions in your comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.